With the World Cup 2026 in the United States, Mexico and Canada, we'll see some terrific teams, some terrific players, and most importantly, we'll see some terrific plays. One of the most important ones we will see is the bend shot, usually from a direct free kick. So what is the bend like Beckham effect? It all has to do with a very famous effect. It's called the Magnus effect. The use of the Bernoulli principle, which says essentially that whenever motion of air over an object is slow, the pressure is high. When the motion of air around an object is fast, the pressure is low. Therefore, a difference in pressure from high to low will create essentially a sideways or up and down force that will make the ball literally swerve. This means, therefore, that the ball can be made to move in ways which seem unpredictable. But in reality, this famous Bernoulli principle, what we call the Magnus effect, explains exactly how this is being done. There's a sideways force when the ball rotates this way, eventually will actually swerve towards the left. If the axis of rotation is in the horizontal direction, the ball is going to swerve in the downward direction because the pressure on the upper side is higher than the pressure on the lower side. In this World Cup, perhaps one of the most famous practitioners, everybody has heard the name of Leo Messi. Messi is very well known for being able to bend the ball around defending walls, and he has scored many goals that really seem to defy the laws of physics, although we understand the physics of how this actually happens. Practicing, executing to perfection this effect requires huge amount of practice over weeks, months, years in order to execute this. But when we see it, we have to sit back, pause, and admire how a human foot can execute the miracle we have just seen.